What's up everyone, Shannon here at That Tile Chick. Today I'll be going over 3 tools you'll need to start cutting tile. Hey guys, Shannon here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going over 3 tools you'll need to get started out cutting tile. So this video is for anybody who is new in the tile industry, or maybe wants to get into the tile industry, or even if you have a project in your own home that you want to complete but you're not really sure what you'll need or what's best to cut tile. So some of you may know I'm a big advocate for education within the trades. So I partnered with Upstryve on this video today. They are an online tutoring platform which helps people in the trades pass their licensing exams. But more on that later, but for now, we were gonna get into these tools. So jumping right into it, these 3 tools, we got the snap cutter, we have some diamond polishing hand pads, and we have the grinder. I chose these 3 tools because I think they are the most efficient tools for you to get about 70% of your jobs done, and over a wide variety of materials as well. So we're going to get started with the snap cutter. So getting right into it, the snap cutter is the first tool I want to talk about. It will cut anything but natural stone, so that includes porcelain, ceramic, glass, and mosaics. You can probably pick this up at your local Home Depot or Lowe's for like $80, so it's great for beginners. So the next thing I want to talk about are the diamond polishing pads. You can grab these off of Amazon. Any brand will basically do. They are just used for the rough edges on the tile after you've made your cut, either on the snap cutter or with your grinder. So last but not least, the grinder. Mine is cordless, but I know the corded options are much more cost effective if you're just starting out. They also happen to be higher powered most of the time, but this will cut anything. So any limitations that this has, this will do the job. You can make intricate cuts, do large format, do smaller tiles. It's the wide variety of possibilities are endless. So the first tool I'm going to be demonstrating is the snap cutter. This is just a porcelain tile. I already marked a line, so I'm going to put it up here and line it up. So the way this works is it has this little leg that has a wheel on it. This wheel, as you apply pressure, scores the tile, and then once you get to the top, these legs press down on the tile and break the tile, snap the tile. So first I'm going to make sure that my wheel is lined up on my line all the way through, which it is. So now I'm just going to score it and snap it. So basically you just apply even pressure, pressing down and pushing forward, and then you press down once these legs are on the tile and the wheel has cleared the tile up here. So after you cut the tile on the snap cutter, you're going to have some rough edges right here on the very outer edge of the tile. So you want to come over, use your hand polishing pads, starting with a low grit. And it's not directly 90 degrees here on the edge. It's really just this top piece right here where you might get some chips and burrs that you want to just smooth out. So I'll demonstrate. And then you go back with a higher grit. And it just makes it more smooth and makes for an overall nicer install so that you're not seeing little tiny chips on the edge of a cut tile. So moving on to the next tool, I am going to be using the grinder. Like I mentioned earlier, mine is cordless, but the corded tools are much more cost efficient. I just recently upgraded, and you want to make sure you have your guard on there, and you want to get a diamond blade. So I'm just going to put on some ear protection and eye protection and whatnot so that I can just demonstrate and cut this tile. So now that we cut through the tile with the grinder, you can see it leaves a little bit of a cleaner cut, but you have some chips and a couple burrs here. So we're going to repeat the process like we did before with the snap cutter. Take our diamond polishing hand pads, and we're just going to polish out any imperfections, especially these here. So I'm going to start with the lower grit. Then go back with your higher grit to really soften it out. So now you can see that cut edge right there is much cleaner than it was before when it had all those chips. All right guys, so there you have it. The 3 basic tools you'll need to start cutting tile: the tile cutter, diamond polishing hand pads, and a grinder with a diamond blade on it. So this video, as I mentioned earlier, was made in collaboration with Upstryve. They are an online tutoring platform, and what they do is they connect an aspiring tradesperson like yourself with an active or retired professional in that field. They provide materials that you would need, everything you would need to pass the exam, all on their website. So if this is something that you're interested in, please check out the link below. I will provide all the information you need. Check out their website. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.